Hey guys, today I wanted to make some okra. It's not today, this is a different day, another day. Yes, back to the point. So I saw that people are grating okra. I said, let me try. I grated it and I really like the texture that came out of it. So you see I'm grating, still grating. When is it going to finish? Okay, it's finished now. So that's the texture. Great, nice, thin. Then I chopped them up and I had some frozen one in the freezer. So I decided to chop that up very roughly. Then I decided to blend some as well. So the end is 3 different textures, which was, pretty good. I had some turkey that I was going to have separately, but I was cooking it all together on the same day, kill some birds with the same stone. So it was boiling and I had some chicken boiling. I didn't want to put anything in the okra except for chicken, no meats or anything. And look at, ororo. I didn't put any oil. Look at all of the ororo that came out. So then I decided to put the turkey in the oven. This turkey is sweet, It was so nice. I put the chicken in the oven as well. Look at it, crispy. It came out very nice. Then, can you tell me, this is ogbono. I want to cook ogbono as well. Don't ask me why I toasted it. I have allergy, so I have to clean it well so it's not dry. So obviously then I have to dry it in the oven before I blend it. Anyway, put the chicken, put the okra, a little bit of water on top. I let it boil and then I mixed it in, mixed it. Now it's ready with the seton. I put a little bit of bitter leaf, very small. Wash my container, put them in the container, ready for 1 portion, 2 portion. Got some cauliflower, a bit of water. I added psyllium husk. This is a binding agent and it's colon cleansing too. Then you blend it together and then you cook it on the fire just like you cook it fufu or pounded yam. So it's basically keto, no carb alternative. So you get to eat swallow without the guilt of having carbs. It's good for weight loss as well and it tastes really good. So yeah, this is me just mixing it. See, it looks like amala. Now I've added my okra and I'm chopping. Try it.